Let's make Diya stand from unused compact disc. Stick Diya holder on compact disc. Now let's stick Kundan stone around the Diya holder. For agarbatti holder, we'll stick moti all around. Now let's stick some mirrors to give it a elegant look. Let's add some multiple colored stone which are easily available on all the craft shops and Amazon. Diya and agarbatti stand is ready to use to decorate the house. Let's decorate our house this Diwali with handmade and handcrafted items.